Hello, my name is Teresa Emery, and I'm an exceptional child educator at Southern Elementary in Falmouth, Kentucky. My classroom has a variety of technology resources that I can utilize. A smart board and computers are available for instruction of my K-5 students. For a transcript of this presentation, please click on this link. For my unit plan for this course, I chose to create a Google form that will be a fun instructional tool for my students that covers the AT word family. I have set up the form so that the student must be signed in. This way their responses will be sent to me, and I can retrieve the data to determine if the instruction is working and track their growth. Some of my students have learning CVC words as an IEP goal, so having easy access to this data will be very helpful. I have linked the responses to an embedded spreadsheet for easy review. The first section of my unit has a video introducing the AT words in a race car themed video. I found this video on the ABCU channel and have the link on the resources page of my unit plan. After watching that video, my students will click Next and move to a generalized video and song about CVC words from the Harry Kindergarten Music channel. I chose this video and the following one because they were upbeat and fun while still providing instructional content. The next button will take the learner to the second CVC word video from the Harry Kindergarten Music channel. The fourth video I have embedded is from the GC Education channel and goes over the AT words again, followed by a short narrative utilizing the words. During the narrative, the AT words are highlighted for emphasis. The fifth and final section of my Google form is a quiz of my design, where there are a series of pictures, and the student is to choose the correct matching CVC word from a choice of 3 words. I have randomized the pictures so that each time the student takes it, they are in a different order. Thank you for watching my unit plan presentation.